Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be taking on some Squig skin. First step, primer model black and hit it with a thin coat of Khorne Red. Alright, one coat down. Let's hit it with another. Okay, there's two coats down. Now we're going to apply a wash of Druchii Violet over the entire model. Just take extra care to remove any areas that you see pooling. If you see any areas where the wash is collecting, just remove a little there like you see I did on the handle, and tap your brush back to that area and it'll soak it up. See there's a little on the chin there. Just tap it, pull it off the brush, another tap to absorb it, and you can just keep doing that until you get it how you want it. Alright, we've got the wash all dried. You can see it's giving it a nice burgundy tone there. So the next step now is divide this model up into segments. So each one of these segments we're going to cover about 80%, starting from the center working out in Mephiston Red. Okay, I got my brush loaded up, thin down just a hair so it flows nicely. And I'm going to start working on these areas that we divided up. And just paying extra attention not to let that paint settle in any of the recesses. I want to keep that color just how it is. Got that section here. Got a little chicken leg section there. Kneecap. See, he's got this little tendon back here, so I'll just draw a line along the edge. Same way with the side of the foot and the top of the foot. So I'm going to go around the model and finish doing this, and I'll get back to you. With the Mephiston Red dry, you can see that gives a nice contrast effect. And that's only a single layer of Mephiston Red. The last and final step that we're going to do is we're going to dry brush the entire model with Wild Rider Red. Okay, I've got a clean dry brush here. I'm going to saturate it with Wild Rider Red, and then I'm just going to work it on this paper to ensure that my brush is loaded up with paint. And I'm going to work it onto this paper towel until most of it has been removed from the brush. Okay, and you can see right here, I'm just getting a little bit of color coming off. That's exactly what we want. And I'm going to work this all over the model using downward strokes. That way it only picks up the higher edges of the model. Alright, there we go. Just 4 colors. You've got a pretty nice squig skin there. So, once again, I used Khorne Red for the base, Druchii Violet for the shade, Mephiston Red for the follow-up layer, and Wild Rider Red for the draw brush. And there we go. Hope you guys enjoy. If this helped you out at all or you found it interesting, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all that jazz. I sure appreciate you. Be kind to one another, and we'll catch you next time.